Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to be opening my 12 Days of Simply Gilded box. Now I really was going to try and wait and do one package a day, but I don't think I can. And because I am doing Vlogmas, I thought it would be fun to kind of share this with you. I know there's probably already some videos floating around showing all the products in this particular box. But if you haven't seen it, well, you are going to see it today in this video. Now, I don't want to, I guess, have any spoilers, but, you know, if you're not interested in seeing each day, then you probably don't want to watch this video just because, you know, I don't want to ruin the surprise for anybody. But I'm very excited, and I know a lot of people have been looking forward to this box. Okay. So if you're not familiar with what Simply Gilded is, it is a small shop run by Irene, and she specializes in, oh, I should say she's known for her washi tape. However, she does sell a few other things in the shop too, like stickers, die cuts, and maybe some other stuff. But her main, claim to fame is her high quality boutique style washi tapes. So here is her information here, or the website if you are interested in possibly checking it out. I know these boxes are, I think she said if there are some left, that you can actually purchase the box. It won't be at the pre-sale price because these were available for pre-sale when I purchased it. But I think she said that there will be some available if they have not sold out. I'm not exactly sure, but I will have a link to the website below so you can check it out if you are curious. So let's go ahead and, oh, I had it upside down. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. The box is beautiful. It's kind of got this ombre celestial design. It says, "Love 12 Days of Simply Gilded." Oops. Sorry, guys. Now, the packaging for Simply Gilded products has always been amazing. I've never been really, truly disappointed with anything. I mean, there have been products that I, don't particularly like, but nothing that has been terrible. So everything is numbered. And I do plan on opening them in order. So let's start with the first 6 right here. And I'll move this so it doesn't mess up our lighting. Okay. So here we go with envelope package number 1. Very, very pretty. You see the holographic number on there. So let's dive in and see what this is. Okay, and these are some cute little stickers. Okay, they're little rolls of washi tapes. And I want to see, I'm going to open the package. Now, I don't want this video to be too horrendously long, so if I can't go through each individual item, I'll try and, rush through it so we can see. Okay, so, oh, these are really cute. Okay, so these are just little kind of deco stickers. I think the name of this bunny is called Juniper. So cute with the hollow gold foil. So these will be fun to use, especially if you're, sending out Christmas cards, stuff like that. Okay, so that was package number 1. Okay, let's move on to package number 2. Ooh, some washi tapes. All right, so these are the washi tapes here. Very pretty. Now, I love her washi tapes, so to me, this is totally worth it. It's kind of like a holographic foil with like an iridescent pink. And then you've got some skinnies as well. All right, number 3. And this is a little pin. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the pins, so, you know, this is okay. Let's move on to number 4. Oh, nice. More washi tapes. Now, I love the bow washis. These are my favorite. If she only put washi in these, I would be more than happy with these. Very pretty. All right, number 5. Oh, look how cute. More stickers. Beautiful. Let's see if I can open these. Okay, so we have more rainbows, some cute little donuts, bears, bows. Those are nice. Bows, 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 hearts, bows. I really like the bows for my planner, and then the little bunny. Okay, and now let's open number 6. You can already tell that these are pens. I hope this is going to focus. So it looks like you have 2 gel pens, pink bow, and then the other one is like a white with some type of a star pattern. The pens are okay. You know, oh, it's got rose gold. You know, the pens aren't my favorite because I'm very picky about my pens and I don't like fine tips, and a lot of her pens are fine tip pens, and I don't like the fine tip pens, but that's okay. That is okay. Okay, 12. All right, let's get everything else in here. Okay. Let's move on to number 7. Yay, more washi. All right, I hope you can focus on that. It's kind of a flower and skinny heart design. Very pretty. Number 8. Oh, okay. This is one of those stones, which is It's like it's like an iridescent rose quartz. Okay. That's nice. All right. Number 9. Yay, more washi. Okay, this one is this one has the days of the week, and then you can see the bows on the top one. black and white. Very cute. I like that. Number 10 in a really cute little pouch. Oh, nice. This is a bracelet. Rose gold bracelet with the little Simply Gilded words on there. Hopefully you can see. That's cute. Okay, okay. This one is number 11. Skinny washies. I'm not a huge fan of the skinny washies, but I'll use it. You know, I'll use it. All right, and then finally, number 12. And everyone in the group said that number 12 was the best one. So let's see. Washi tapes. Oh, Galaxy 9.0 for boutique washi tapes. Say what? Okay, this is nice. All right. I have to say this is my favorite. Again, it's like a rose gold foil, holographic foil, constellations. Yes, this is beautiful. I have to say these are my favorite washi tapes out of all the tapes that came in the box. So there you go, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Oops, I know things were kind of messy, and I hope I didn't rush through it too much, but I didn't want the video to be super long. So there you go. So did you get the 12 Days of Simply Gilded box this year? If you did, what are your thoughts? What are your opinions? I'd love to know your feedback. Would I buy this again? Yeah, you know what? I think I would. I think it's worth it. The box was $75, and I think it is worth it considering how much washi tape you get. And also the surprise element, as well as, you know, the different items like the pen, the bracelet, the stickers. I wish she would have included a little bit more stickers, because I really like stickers and washi tape. But overall, you know, out of 1 out of 10, I give this an 8. Some of the things I'm going to give away, so, but overall, like I said, I do like it. I like it a lot. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I've got a lot more videos coming. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.